How to pay with Paysafecard on Nintendo Switch. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to pay with Paysafecard on Nintendo Switch. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can create an account on Paysafecard using our link down there in the video description below. So make sure to follow all of our links since some of them have bonus rewards upon signing up for an account and following the links. And yeah, that's it. So without further ado, let's get started. So after creating an account, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. So you don't have any funds first, but you can add one by buying a gift card online or offline. So my recommended option is to buy online. So you can just click buy online right here to go to the buying page. And as you can see, you just need to add the amount of funds that you want to add, and you can just pay it using your credit or debit card. And yeah, that's it. That's how you purchase a gift card. After purchasing the gift card, they will send you a 16-digit code that you need to input right here. As you can see, you can just input the 16-digit pay card code right here and your funds will be added. And yeah, that's it. So make sure that you also purchase a MasterCard account on PaySafeCard. You can just click learn more in order to know the instruction on how to activate your MasterCard PaySafeCard account. So after adding funds and having a PaySafeCard MasterCard account, you are now ready to use your PaySafeCard for purchasing. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm just going to my Nintendo account and purchase something in my shopping cart. And as you can see, there will be a payment methods that Visa and MasterCard is available. So there's no directly PaySafeCard button available, but you can use your MasterCard of your PaySafeCard account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can purchase something on Nintendo using PaySafeCard. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.